What have I learned throughout this semester in 1251 EDN, Understanding Information and Communication Technologies for Teaching by Elizabeth Searcher. Throughout the first couple of lectures and tutorials, students were introduced to the idea of a collaborative classroom and the benefits of incorporating different media into class lessons to enhance the educational outcome of each diverse student. Within the beginning of this course, most of my peers and I had a very basic understanding of the standard programs used in a classroom, such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Within this course, Noel introduced me to a number of new programs that can be used to enhance the effect of teaching and allow students to be more engaged within their learning environment. The first program we were introduced to was called Rhino, which provided us with a basic understanding of what would be involved in our next assessment, and it also allowed us to share ideas or comments about the next task. This was a great way to get to know everyone and share our opinions. The next piece of assessment that we were asked to complete was the EduBlog. When asked, not many students in my class had completed a blog before. All pieces of assessment were uploaded onto this blog. It was a unique form of submission that I had never experienced before. When completing areas of the task, such as the video, presentation or podcast, there was a widely diverse outcome. For example, some students advertised movie trailers while others promoted tourist destinations and attractions. The relevance of the task to the TPACK model. TPACK refers to technological, pedagogical, content knowledge and is a framework that identifies the knowledge teachers need to teach effectively with technology. When attending my university classes, I have noticed how much they are enhanced with technology, which has definitely enabled me to have a greater understanding of class concepts. I have embedded a YouTube video to display how topics can be taught. Shakespeare is the main topic when learning English and is not always popular among students. Using videos such as the one I displayed allows visual learners to be more engaged during class lessons and allow them to create an interest in what is taught in class. ACARA, the Australian Curriculum Assessment and Reporting Authority, is an independent authority responsible for the development of a national curriculum that supports all Australian students from grade K to 12. Nominated ICT as one of the 7 general capabilities that will assist students to live and work successfully in the 21st century. ICT can and should be used as a tool within all subject areas and should be used as an adjustment to the curriculum to enable better understanding for those students with diverse learning needs. What did I learn to enhance my teaching? Throughout this course, I was introduced to several new programs that I am now able to embed into my teaching to enhance the educational outcomes of my students. When beginning some of my tasks, a PowerPoint and Audacity, I struggled to understand exactly how I was supposed to do them, and until I received help from my lectures and tutorials, I was able to get an understanding of what the concepts were. I also learned more information and features about Microsoft PowerPoint and Excel, like allocating button responses to slides and transforming data collection into a graph. Each assessment that I've completed within this course provided me with a deeper understanding as to how ICT can benefit not only my students but myself in a classroom, and I will ensure that I enable this within my future teaching to provide the best outcomes for my students as possible.